Business. Hidden real estate strategies that turn ordinary homes into massive cash machines. What if I told you most people live in houses, but wealthy people live in cash machines disguised as houses? The average homeowner sees a mortgage. The wealthy see income streams hidden in walls, land, and zoning laws. Today, I'm revealing 10 hidden real estate strategies that turn ordinary properties into massive cash flow machines. The kind investors don't teach in school and banks won't explain. Stay until the end because strategy number 10 is how people build million-dollar portfolios starting with just one property. Strategy number 1. Highest and best use flip. Most people rent a property the obvious way, but real investors change what the property is used for. A single-family home becomes a short-term rental, a co-living house, a mixed-use workspace, a duplex or triplex. Same property. 10x income potential. Strategy. Number 2. Rent by the room. This is one of the most powerful cash flow hacks in real estate. A house that rents for $1,800 monthly can make $3,000 to $5,000 by renting rooms individually. Target areas near colleges, hospitals, military bases, corporate hubs. You're not renting space, you're renting privacy and convenience. Strategy. There's the 3. Furnish and multiply. Add furniture, triple the rent. Corporations pay premium prices for furnished homes for traveling nurses, executives, contractors, insurance relocations. A 1 or 200 rental can become $3,500 a month overnight. Furniture turns houses into luxury assets. Strategy number 4. Forced appreciation. Homeowners wait for market appreciation. Wealth builders force appreciation. Add a bedroom, a bathroom, a finished basement, a garage conversion, a backyard ADU. One upgrade can add $50K to $200K in instant equity. Strategy number 5. The hidden unit hack. Accessory dwelling units, ADUs, are silent wealth machines. Turn a garage or basement into a rental unit. Build a small backyard cottage. One property becomes 2 or 3 income streams. Some investors make more money from the ADU than the main house. Strategy number 6. Tax alchemy. Real estate isn't just income, it's a tax weapon. Wealthy investors use depreciation cost, segregation, 1031 exchanges, opportunity zones. Some pay zero taxes on 6-figure rental income. Strategy the 7. Tenant repositioning. The tenant determines the profit. Low profit tenants, traditional long-term renters, high profit tenants, corporate leases, government contracts, healthcare travelers, luxury Airbnb guests. Same property, completely different income class. Strategy the 8. Micro commercial income. Your property can earn money without tenants. Rent out, storage space, parking billboards, cell towers, laundry machines, vending machines. Even a driveway can make passive income. Strategy number 9. Land value. Arbitrage. Most buyers look at the house. Real investors look at the land potential. Hidden gold includes future rezoning subdivision opportunities, extra buildable lots, air rights, mineral rights. A $200K home could sit on $2 million land potential. Strategy number 10. The infinite cash-out loop. This is how ordinary people become millionaires. Buy undervalued property, renovate and increase value, refinance and pull out cash. Buy another property. Repeat forever. Your money recycles endlessly. The bank funds your empire. When the wealth mindset shift. Most people ask, how much rent can I get? Real investors ask, how many income streams can this property create? That mindset is the difference between renters and real estate moguls. If you want to turn real estate into a wealth engine, start thinking like an asset architect, not a homeowner. Like this video if you learned something powerful. Subscribe for more wealth strategies that schools never teach. And comment property if you want my step-by-step blueprint to turn your first home into a cash machine.